Hola chicas, estoy aquí con otro video. Este video lo voy a hacer en inglés, pero voy a dejar subtítulos en español si gustan verlo, okay? So you guys, I'm here with another video. This video is going to be in English. So what I'm doing now is I'm starting out with my nail bed, and I am using a wooden hand to practice. So once I create my nail bed, I go ahead and start with white acrylic. I'm going to be using three colors. I'm going to be using white acrylic. I'm going to be using clear with purple glitter and clear with sort of like light brown glitter. So I am just spreading out the white acrylic throughout the nail. It's going to be this nail, it's going to be on the side, but at the end of this video I am going to show you how they look in short nails. I liked how this design looks, so I did them on my nails. So I did them short, so you'll see the long view and the short view. And it's going to be random places with the white. And then after you apply your white, you're going to start working with your purple acrylic, and you're basically going to form the rest of the nail with the purple acrylic. And after you do the purple acrylic, you're going to go ahead and work with a smaller brush if you have one, and basically do just random shapes or only on the white acrylic. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and use and you can use a black polish and create some zebra print in whatever space you have available of the white, and then you're going to go ahead and encapsulate. After you file and shape the nail, you're going to use your black nail polish, and on those random brown shapes that you apply, you're going to make like a cheetah print or leopard print, and you're going to go around them. After that, you have the option to be done with your nail, or what you can do is do the zebra stripes with white nail polish, which I did on the side, all on top of the purple nail. After that, you basically let it dry so that when you apply your top coat or your UV gel, it doesn't smear. And you just apply it and you're basically done. On this design, I did went ahead and applied some rhinestones just because I think it gives it a better view. And that's basically it. So at the end, if you stay tuned toward the end, you're going to see the difference of the short tip and the long tip nails. And I hope you like it. If you have any comment, make sure you put it down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so Este es el resultado en mi diseño en uñas cortas. Como ustedes pueden ver, me hice mis uñas así cortitas. Este es el diseño en largas y en cortas. So, espero que les haya gustado este tutorial. En mis uñas no me he puesto rhinestones, pero estas sí llevan rhinestones así hacia abajo. So sí, si tienen algún comentario, alguna sugerencia, pónganlo abajo y estaré con ustedes en otro video. Okay, so this is the results of my set. I went ahead and did a set on my nails, and I did it. I did them small, but you can see the difference. So this is for a long tip, and this is for a small tip. It's the same thing. You can do the same design, just smaller. So I haven't applied rhinestones on mine just yet, but it's optional. So this one, since it's longer, I think when you add a rhinestone, it gives it a better look. And the same thing with the small ones. I just haven't had I just finished them and I haven't had time to do it yet. So so yeah, so I just apply my cuticle oil, and these are how they look. And I'll be talking to you in another video. Bye.